Why do you enjoy using roleplay activities so much? They're interactive, they're engaging, they bring students out of their comfort zones, which is a tremendously important aspect of any form of teaching. And in addition to that, they're motivating. They are a welcome change from more traditional learning activities. And as teachers, we want to see smiles on faces, and we want to have the classroom as an environment in which people thrive, do things that they necessarily wouldn't normally do. Role plays are fantastic because they bring students out of their comfort zone. They provide students with the opportunity to show their personalities, to show their creativity. And it's not a passive mode of learning. They're very much part of the show. They're the center of the lesson. And ultimately, role plays in the classroom, they provide an experience. How many of us wonder why phone apps will never replace language teaching entirely? Because they can't do things like role play. They can't give students the opportunity to be different people, to try different modes of grammar for exciting reading, for exciting reasons. Role play activities can. This is exactly what they do. They provide students with an exciting reason to use the language and an engaging purpose in which to do so. And this is why role plays are amazing.